Let's make some no beer fish. Alright, let me show you how we do this. Super simple. In this container here we already have 1 cup of cornstarch. Here we have our white fish. We're using cod. We've cut them into strips. You can use either haddock or cod. This is recipes for between 1.5 to 2 pounds of fish. In our bowl over here we're going to take and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're just going to give that a nice mix. Off to the side here, we have some oil that we're heating up. We're going to get that to be about 350 degrees or so. On our fish over here, we're going to take it and we're going to salt and pepper it. You're going to, on about 2 pounds, you can probably use a total of about 2 teaspoons of salt, about a teaspoon of black pepper. If you use that much. We're cooking a little bit less because it's just Mom and I. Turn that over. Clear both sides. Then we're going to take our fish, we're going to place it into our cornstarch, pat it down. Now, in our bowl over here that we've got our flour mixture in, we are going to add to that 1.5 cups of club soda. And I almost forgot this part. Our beeper is going off because we have put some fries or chips in the oven. We're using a steak fry. We just got the frozen kind this time. Add that to our mixture here. If you like these recipes, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Share our videos, it really helps. If there's a certain video that you would like for us to do, please let us know. Alright. Alright, now we're just going to do it. We've got our thing at 350 degrees. We're going to take this, we're going to dip our fish into our batter mixture. And then we're going to put that into our deep fryer and cook our fish. And you want to make sure that you don't overcrowd it. We're going to cook it roughly about 5 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. Alright, our first one's done here. We've got about 1 inch of oil in there, so we're just doing a little bit at a time. The cornstarch is going to make this nice and crispy, and this is a very nice and crispy piece of fish. We'll go ahead and finish the rest of these up. The last of our fish is starting up. Now, I forgot to tell you, whenever you take on the heat or out of the oil, you want to make sure you put them on a paper towel to let it soak up the extra grease. We're going to put these pub-style fish next to some fries. And there we have it. Clubhouse fish and chips from the chips are from the supermarket. Thank you for watching.